If you're training an employee, you expect an impact on the workflow, right? Well, let me tell you, if they don't do things themselves during their training, there won't be that much of an impact. Here is a little anecdote after teaching for more than 20 years. When I was teaching students back in the day and they were stuck in their software program, I approached them and did 3 things. First, I explained them what the problem was and how they could solve it. As you can see here, in this forgetting curve by Herman Ebbinghaus, retention quickly fades when explaining things. Then, the second thing I did was demonstrate on their computer how they had to do it. The student nodded enthusiastically, and after the whole demonstration, I just reset their computer and the student panicked, saying, "Whoa, where's all the work you did?" Then I said, "Okay, you listened to the explanation, you saw me doing it, and now it's time for you to do it yourself." I literally heard their brains squirm, but if they succeeded, I was certain that the students grasped what I wanted to teach. As you can see here again in the forgetting curve, experience things yourself pushes retention to a complete different level. So, practice training is a very efficient learning method. But unfortunately, when working with blue-collar workers, this is very hard and expensive to organize. It's not scalable, and often you put newbies at risk in hazardous situations. The next best solution is highly engaging virtual training, preferably with game-based learning and gamification to push motivation and make things very visual and interactive. This is very scalable and blends exceptionally well with practice training. That comes as a way more achievable investment and leads to better training performance because of understand, observe, and experience cycle. Ready to grasp knowledge? Just dive in and play. Experience is the ultimate teacher.